Hello everybody, welcome to Autotrade-HUB. Today again we are going to look into one of our clients' account performance. This client has started the trading in the month of January and successfully trading with our algo trading software. And by the time of 9th October 2023, this client successfully withdrawn his principal and made a profit of 210%. You can see the time horizon, it's approximately 10 months. Sorry, less than 10 months. Currently, there are total 3 to 4 deals are open and the floating is $11. Let's jump into the account history. This client has started the trading 6 January 2023. Total amount deposited $1,000. First trade has been taken on 9th Jan 2023. Let's scroll down. You can also see the lot size. Very minimum lot size has been taken. This client has taken the first withdrawal in the month of February. I will show you the withdrawal entry. Meanwhile, also you can see the lot size is very low lot size, no much risk is taken. You can see the withdrawal entry on 15 Feb 2023, $330 withdrawal has been taken. This client again taken the withdrawal in month of March. I will show you the withdrawal entry. This client taken the withdrawal on here on 31st March 2023, that is $425. Means approximately 75% profit has been withdrawn within 3 months. Let's scroll down. This client also taken the withdrawal again on month of May, I think. Let's scroll. We'll check it. Yes, here it's taken on 18th of May 2023, $300. If you calculate, this client taken the more than 100% withdrawal in less than 5 months. Less than 5 months, this client taken the whole principal withdrawal. And there was a huge movement in the month of June. So again, this client deposited $1,000. See here, just for 3 days. This is on 12th June 2023. Deposited $1,000. Again taken the withdrawal on 15th June 2023. Let's scroll down. Yes, after this client never taken the withdrawal, and whatever the profit has been made by the algo trading software, this client kept all the profit into the trading account itself. Let's scroll down more. Let's come down. So whatever the movement happens in the market, very huge movement, that happens very rarely. So, and any such events occurs, that time itself the very high movements happen. So for few days you can, if necessary, then you can deposit, and once the market gets the recover, you can withdraw whatever the amount you have deposited. So this client kept the withdrawal profit as it is after the principal withdrawal. So the total profit is made is $2,108, means 210% profit this client has kept as it is, and the whole principal has taken back into his saving account. So this is how our algo trading software accounts perform. This very risk-free software, not much risk is taken in the account. I will also give the link in the description, or if there is, I will also upload on the YouTube the backtesting result of this same software soon, so that you can also watch the backtesting result of this software, and you can also make out what is the drawdown. I will definitely give you all the link in the description so that you can go through the link and you can make out what is the drawdown percentage, what is the profit percentage. So it will become very easier for you to take the decision. As far as my experience, this is very good result is given in last 10 months. So you can also go with this software. If you want, you can have a trial into your demo account before going into the real account. Or if you're having any kind of questions or doubts, you can um, comment below so that we will try to answer as soon as possible. Or also you can get in touch with us on our website. I will mention the link in the description so that you can also get in touch with us. If you have liked this video and you have got some valuables from this video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.